ब्रेस्ट कैंसर कौन जेकोसी महिला को हो ना युवती को भी हो पारे
समस्त को हो पार तेणुकर यूजुअली इट इज इन अ लिटिल एल्डर एज बट देन वी स्टिल हैव सीन 19 वर्ष 18 वर्ष झीलकर भी हो पारे कैंसर वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल बट दैट इज वेरी वेरी रेयर आउ जमती कहले कि स्किन में गोटे अल्सर धराई इज नॉट हिलिंग फॉर बहुत दिन धरिकी सुखु नाही आ पार्टीटा जमती बहुत जन जो माने पान खाइबा लोक अछंती से माने भाबंती पार्टी पोडुची आउ दे जस्ट इग्नोर द सिम्पटम तेणुकर यही क्षेत्र में अंतत जदि पार्टी पोड़ाणी जदि जड़े पान खाऊँ एटलिस्ट अर्ली जाकि डॉक्टर को देखा करी स्क्रेप साइटोलॉजी किसी कले अर्ली डिजीज डायग्नोस हम तेणुकर आउ थे जस्ट वांट टू रिमाइंड एवरीवन दैट द डेथ इन कैंसर इज ओनली ड्यू टू डिले इन डायग्नोसिस कहीं बारंबार कहूँ दिस सर्वाइकल कैंसर हैज नो सिम्पटम्स in the early stages जेतेबे symptom हला बेलको it's very advanced so these are the common diseases that we have oral lungs breast and cervix so these are the common cancers ताकू छाड़िले esophagus cancer gallbladder cancer these are very common in our state so most of the deaths in cancer happen only due to delay in diagnosis so our motto should be for early diagnosis so breast cancer कहले lump in the breast is an important finding and cervical cancer which is the second most common cancer in this कहले we have a vaccine for it and it is going to be rolled out through the government programs but till it is rolled out it is available commercially and should be encouraged जो माने affordable अछंती एबे Indian vaccine is available which is only 2000 around 2000 rupees and a single dose before 15 years should be encouraged and should be given to every 15-year-old girl as a birthday gift at least once in a lifetime. It's a great initiative. I think cancer care in India is actually been evolving since so many years and Apollo is of course a very important part of that. And we have a wonderful governance in the center and in the state which has actually done wonderful work for cancer care. But then I really feel sorry that we are doing too much for treatment and not much for prevention. And when we start formulating some policies about prevention, about treatment, about what would be the trends, which cancer is rising, which cancer is falling, which cancer is more common in which age group, I think for that we'll have to need some kind of data. And as of now we are depending on our hospital based cancer registries and maybe some population based cancer registries which is very sparse in India and the data is not up to the mark so I think it would really be of immense help if we could make it notifiable so that we have data of each and every patient and then only if we have a clear picture about the incidence about the prevalence about the stages of the cancer when they are presenting then it will be very helpful so that we can make our policies accordingly for prevention for treatment guidelines and all the things according to that so I think it's a very important step that we need to prevail on the government that this should become notifiable as it is in many countries now and they come very late so that scenario is still going on in India which is very sad thing I think through our media friends today I think we should spread this message that if you have any symptoms like the ones I am going to enumerate they should come to the hospital early and for I think amara male manakara oral cancer is very common because tobacco chewing is very common and then lungs cancer also because of smoking tobacco that's again is very common and for women breast cancer is the commonest cancer seta kemti na there's a breast lump usually they present with a breast lump but then very sad to say that women with lump they will stay with the lump सेमानकर बहुत लाज सेमाने डॉक्टर पाखु जिबाकु एते चाहते नाही काळे कैंसर डायग्नोसिस है जो because cancer is still a taboo I think that is an immense problem when people really don't want to know their neighbors to know that we have cancer and that mindset again still prevails I don't know how it will go maybe समस्त आमे जदि चाहिबा just to spread the message that cancer is a disease just like diabetes or blood pressure and it may be a chronic disease would need treatment for a long time cancer in most of the cases if diagnosed early is treatable is curable so most of the deaths in cancer happen only due to delay in diagnosis so our motto should be for early diagnosis so breast cancer कहले lump in the breast is an important finding and cervical cancer which is the second most common cancer in this कहले we have a vaccine for it and it is going to be rolled out through the government programs, but till it is rolled out it is available commercially and should be encouraged. जो माने affordable अछंती एबे Indian vaccine is available which is only 2000 around 2000 rupees and a single dose before 15 years should be encouraged and should be given to every 15-year-old girl as a birthday gift at least once in a lifetime. And we know that age of cervical cancer is, if I am taking too long, please tell me.
No, just continue.
So similarly, cervical cancer is also a viral disease. So this is caused by a virus, and the test for the virus is also now available. Human papilloma virus, whether that woman is harboring that virus or not. So that test can also be done freely. So if we can do this test, we can prevent this disease before the symptoms occur. But if the symptoms start occurring, then also through you all, I request our women to come to the hospitals early. The symptoms would be intermenstrual bleeding. मासिक ऋतुस्रावर समय नथिले मध्य जदि ऋतुस्राव हैला किंबा continued white discharge, foul smelling for a long time. And the third symptom would be some sexual contact where the bleeding hella. Fourth symptom would be if a woman is in an elderly age group, masika rutusrava bond he jaichi aw tapare phuni bleeding start hella. Maybe a drop also is also ominous. Kahi mo barambar kochi this cervical cancer has no symptoms in the early stages. Jetaba symptom hella badaku it's very advanced. So these are the common diseases that we have: oral, lungs, breast and cervix. So these are the common cancers. ताकू छाड़िले esophagus cancer, gallbladder cancer, these are very common in our state. So we have to be very careful. आउ जेमते कहले कि जे स्किन रे गोडा अल्सर धराइछि is not healing for बहुत दिन धरि सुखु नाही. आउ पाटीटा जेमते बहुत जण जो माने पान खाइबा लोक अछंती से माने भाबंती पाटी पोडुछि आउ दे जस्ट इग्नोर द सिम्पटम. तेणु करी एही क्षेत्र रे अंतत जदि पाटी पोडिलाणी जदि जणे पान खाउछंती एटलीस्ट अर्ली जाइकी डॉक्टर को देखा करिकी किछि स्क्रेप साइटोलॉजी किछि करले अर्ली डिजीज टा डायग्नोस हबो. तेणु करी आउ थरे जस्ट वांट टू रिमाइंड एवरीवन दैट the death in cancer is only due to delay in diagnosis. If we can diagnose them early, we have immense capacity to treat and cure these patients.
ब्रेस्ट कैंसर कोन जेकोनसी महिला को होई परियो ना युवती को भी होई परियो
समस्त को होई परियो. तेणुकरी usually it is in a little elder age, but then we still have seen 19 वर्ष 18 वर्ष झियंकर भी हेई पार कैंसर. We have to be careful, but that is very very rare. किंतु जेपरि हमें बही रे पढिथिलु जे कैंसर usually elderly रे हुए, किंतु I think now books are being defied. एबे बहुत young age रे मध्य हमें कैंसर देखियो को मिलुची. गोटे 14 वर्ष पिला रे मु देखछि ओरल कैंसर, बिकॉज़ सी हला गोटे गैरेज रे काम करथुला 13 वर्ष बयस रो गुटका खाउतला 13 वर्ष. By 14 years he had a frank blown out cancer in the oral cavity and had a surgery in our hospital.